Hi friends, welcome back to Raksha and Rhia World. In this video, we're doing a fizzy science experiment. The materials required for the experiment are orange or lemon, baking soda and its juice. Let's see how you do the experiment. Step 1. Add the baking soda in the orange juice. You'll see the fizz which is forming. Mixing the ingredients. When you sprinkle baking soda in the orange juice, the dry powder comes into contact with the moist surface and any exposed juice. Acid-base reaction. The citric acid in the orange reacts with the sodium bicarbonate in the baking soda. This is an acid-base reaction. When the acid donates a hydrogen ion to the base. Fizz formation. This reaction produces carbon dioxide, CO2. The same gas that makes soda frizzy. The bubbles you can see are CO2 escaping from the mixture. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like and share. Bye bye.